When you get gas, they want. For your cell phone bill, they want. For your Wi-Fi, they want. For your food, they want money. Money matters in 2023, just like ever before. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get you some money selling clothes or a product. Let's go. You already know what I'm about to say. You already know what I'm about to say. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment. Real appreciate it, real appreciate it. Now that I have your attention in this video, we're going to talk about getting some motion. Whether that's money, whether it's a business, whether it's selling products, whether it's just a side hustle, whatever motion means to you, what it means to me. Motion to me just means getting to the next level. It just means elevating my mindset, and it just means growing my mindset. And along with that comes money. I think that money follows purpose. I think that money follows passion, not the other way around. I think you have to have a passion first and purpose first, and then I think the profit follows. I'm gonna get straight to it. 2023, the fastest way to grow, to get some motion, to elevate is to have a service or product online that you can sell online in your sleep. So what do I mean? You want to be able to sell something in your sleep. You want to be able to sell something that doesn't require you to have to be there in order to sell it. A website. I put t-shirts, hoodies, and socks and stuff online. In the morning when I get to my shop, I have orders that I had made in my sleep. Let me give y'all some backstory. In 2021 is when I made my clothing brand. Just the year in 2021 alone, I scaled my clothing brand to 5 figures in 1 year. Let's go to 2022. October 2022, I got my first store, which was 4 months ago. Now it's February 2023, and I'm getting ready to open my store in 2 weeks. So I went from a 5-figure clothing brand in 2021 to hopefully get to 6 figures or 7 figures along with my online store, and then merging my physical location. It was a little dark in here, y'all, but I believe that's one of the fastest ways to start getting some motion in 2023. Selling a product online. Another way is just using social media in general. YouTube. I make money still to this day from my music being played and streamed online, and I uploaded it, distributed it through DistroKid. So if you're interested in making music, if you can sing, play an instrument, produce, or whatever, that may be an avenue that you want to take. Another way is TikTok. I'm not big on TikTok. I'm just getting over there and getting acclimated with everything, trying to learn how to grow on TikTok. So TikTok may be a way. If you're popping on TikTok, you can introduce your services and your products on TikTok. But if a clothing brand is something that you're interested in getting into, I'll go ahead and link my ebook in the description. I wrote an ebook in 2021 when I started my clothing brand. After I had scaled to 5 figures, I've sent my brand to celebrities, viral influencers, comedians. They all rocking with the brand. I really thank God for my brand, for growing it like he been growing it, for my customers for rocking with it. If that's something that you're interested in, hit the link in the description, grab that ebook. But we're not done. So this right here, I had to hang it in the store when I got it in October. And that right there is my little workstation, my microphone. I told y'all I'm into music. Blue Yeti. I'll be up here recording sometime. If you got some value from this video, some knowledge or some information, go ahead and leave a like. It'll help boost me in the algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate y'all. Love you.